This 2024 Forest River Wildwood Grand Lodge 42 View is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Birch Run, Michigan, 48415 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.